Hello and welcome back to another AutoCAD tutorial from Design Republic. Today we are going to guide you through how to create a 3D render from a drone elevation in AutoCAD. Okay, so in other words, we will try to render this elevation here with AI, okay, within seconds. And to make it think even harder for AI, we will take a raw screenshot. Okay, so before that, I just want to mention that this drawing here is part of our AutoCAD course available on YouTube. If you want to watch it, we share there a lot of great tips and tricks. I'm sure you can benefit from it. If you're interested to watch it, I will leave a link in the description below. Or if you want to use this whole drawing here with floor plan, elevation and section as a template, as a reference, you can download it from our Patreon. I will leave a link in the description below. So back to our tutorial. I will delete these ones here. We don't need them. So this is our elevation which we will try to render. Okay. So I would like to clean up my elevation as we don't need dimensions or texts for a 3D render. I'm sure you guys know that. We don't include them, at least not now. Okay. And we will delete this guy here as well. Maybe we can bring this tree a bit closer. I don't think these things would matter a lot, but still. And here we have this pink line, so I would like to change the color of them to maybe pure white. Yeah, okay, great. So maybe we can bring this line here, or no, L, enter, draw a line from here to here, and MA. These are some minor fixes, so that AI understands where our lines are. Draw order, front. Okay, so now I think we are all set. We have here trees to the sides. Here we have a car. Here we have a dining area with a guy. Here we have a window, a tree behind our house. The roof is angled, and here we have our door. Okay, so let's see if I can render our elevation. So let's simply bring our screenshot tool, okay, snipping tool, new, and let's take a rough screenshot from here till here, okay? So now let's save it, desktop, and let me call it screenshot elevation to AI render, okay? So now what we are going to do is, let me bring in we will use two AIs, okay? ChatGPT to write a prompt and Google Gemini or Nano Banana to render the elevation. So here at Photos or Files, I will bring in here my screenshot, okay? Great. And now I will ask it, write a prompt for Gemini AI to render this AutoCAD elevation. Okay. Let me give it some more details. It's a house on the countryside. So use natural materials for the finish. Okay. Short prompt. Okay, so let's see. So now we use it ChatGPT to give us a short prompt. Okay. And what we are going, so here is our prompt ready. We uploaded our screenshot, write a prompt for Gemini AI to render this AutoCAD elevation, blah, blah, blah. So, and here is our prompt. So we will select it, copy. We'll go to Gemini AI. Again, hit this plus here, upload files. We will bring in our screenshot. Okay. Now, Control V to paste our prompt. We will go here from fast to pro. Okay. You have some pro tries even in the free version. Okay. And here we can go for create image, and let's go and see what our result will be. Okay. So guys, By the way, I don't know what the result will be. Whatever, AI will not replace humans. You don't have to worry about that. It will just be another tool along the way. It will help us to give better results and faster results. So don't worry about AI replacing you. It may replace the very bad architects, designers, engineers, whatsoever. Okay, so here is our result. And let's see, I think very interesting. Okay, it kept the pitched roof. Great. It kept here the window. Here we have this glass frame as in our elevation, right? So yeah, here we have still the car. Here we have the stairs. So yeah, it actually did a really good job. So let me upload it or ask it one more time. Front elevation only. Do not change the camera angle. Okay, so let's see if it understands actually that we want this one in elevation and not to be shifted, even though I think like the result is really good. It's very close to what we have drawn. It kept the car, it kept the railing, it kept this one here. We have the window, great job. We have here the door, everything so far I think very great. And here we have the elevation. Oh my god, okay, really amazing. So I don't like the materials, to be honest, a lot, but I'm sure if you talk to it and write different prompts, you can even get different material, how you say, different material combinations. Okay, so let's try it out and ask it, please. Oh, no need for please. Use another combination of materials. Light travertine and dark wood. Okay, so let's see what the result will be. Okay, okay. So yeah, let's see. Oh, I love this one way more. Yeah, this has more contrast. I love it way more, and I could continue with it and bring out even better results, but I have reached my Nano Banana Pro limit. Okay, so yeah, that was it for our today's tutorial. If you learned something, please consider to like and subscribe, and you can donate to our Patreon. Okay, that would help us a lot to continue and make even greater tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our upcoming tutorial. Bye.